Okay, I've come out over here for seafarers issue. Okay, now as you can see, we have seen many hustles going on, like many things going on. First point I could come to is like you can see Marila boys after lots of trouble. Okay, lots of trouble they come over here. Okay, yet you can see that there is another question with the Marila boys that is raised up is time. Okay, as cm said yesterday that paid quarantine is not for individual. Okay, it's through the company. My perception, I would say, if you are charging the company, okay, do you think this company will hire these boys? No, I don't think. Secondly, he's saying the agents have come up. Okay, the agents have come up saying that uh, they have given written that they will be paying for the quarantine. I would like to ask, the personal thing, my view is like I would like to ask them, can you just show us the written letter or the email, okay, or the email that the agents have come up, agencies, yeah, the company has come up of saying that okay, we are ready to pay. Because I don't think, I personally, if you go to ask me, I don't think that the company or the agency will be ready to pay the paid quarantine. Because the first point is, as you know, every state, every country, every this nation is going through financial crisis, and a lot helped a lot for this boys. Okay, so I don't think it would be a better option, to put those burden again on the company, and the company wouldn't do that. Okay, and if they have come up with this, please show us the written letter. Okay, written letter or any email that is stated that they are ready to pay. Because cm is saying it is not our burden, why are we cared, why are we raising questions? Okay, right, it wouldn't be our burden if you could be transparent on your side. Okay, if that is the case, why is Karnika yet those boys are not come? Marila has come, it's been 2 days, this is the third day, I waved off. Okay, there are more boats left to come. Okay, if you take certain time for this boats, what about the next boats? Okay, next boats that are coming into Indian seas, if you are taking so long, I think this boys that you're going to get from the outstates offshore will be next month. Is that, are you trying to say? That is my point of view. And what about the other companies, the people who are offshores on land? Okay, over the land, who are stranded, who were signed off and kept on the land, what about them? Who's going to pay for them? And secondly, I would like to know what are your people's point of view on this. Okay, this live is come because I want to know what are your people's point of view on this. Because I am not happy with the paid quarantine, because we have centers which are free of cost. This is pandemic. Okay, the organization of international, okay, rules regulation is one for everyone. If it is said it is state free, it is state free. Other states cannot have individual rules. When all these states are free, why only Goa is not free? Okay, secondly, I don't know what is taking an hustle for them to get Karnika also boys back, as all the states are being tested, only our Goa is not being tested yet I can say. It has arisen now, there are boys coming back. Okay, yesterday also I saw Marila boys interview. Okay, like they gave on video calling. Okay, they are thanking the government, they are thanking the my question is, Baba, rest boys are left to come. I mean, you should have thought about the rest boys. You thanking the government right now just because you all are come, okay, gives an opportunity to the government to take us for granted once again. Maybe I'm wrong, you all can correct me, but there are 1,000 boys left to come, 1,000 boys. Okay, even they are waiting when these things will sort out. Every day, one thing is coming up. All of a sudden, first thing was we had a pressure of getting them back. Second pressure, now they have come up with a paid quarantine. Whereas first he had said that it should not be like, it wouldn't be paid quarantine. If you want a luxury thing, y'all could go. This is what he had said. Okay. Now he's saying direct paid quarantine. Baba, if the agency or company has told you, take, okay, we give you paid quarantine, you should have said no. You all have taken care enough. We have enough funds to look after our boys. Okay, someone has come out, Ria. Okay, why only in Goa quarantine fee should be paid? Quarantine and CM consent. Okay, this is what we are also, even I am not happy with it, because it should be free state. We have got funds. Okay, we have got funds from many, you can say many associations, many people. Why ultimately a pressure to the company or the agent? I don't think today when they charge this people, I don't think this boys will get work again, because ultimately the company is going to say the only state that has troubled us is Goa. When even Kerala is ready, everything is ready, why only us? No agency at this crisis, this point of time would come and say we are ready to pay for the boys. I don't think. I will even try to get in concern with other states also. Okay. Now regarding the coming boys, okay, my question is, if the lockdown extends and again you take, this lockdown has been extended, it's not going to happen, the boys will be delayed. Tell me who's going to bear the cost? Who is going to bear about their lives? Are you all ready? That is my question to the government. So we are fed up. I think if you tell me, I am fed up. I am actually fed up. From one end to another end, knocking all the doors. Why is NUSI shut? I don't understand. Where are those members of NUSI? I mean, why are they quiet? I don't really get it. I mean, if you're all seafarers, okay, the seafarers, whatever association, no matter NUSI, everyone comes up now, things will really work out. Things will really work out, I can say. Because this is high time, yeah. High time. How much you all want? I mean, the government is actually getting into nerves. How much you all want to beg us? Marilla boys abroad, all happy. All of them took their trophies and went. What about next? Marilla is just 0.5%, I can say. We have got a huge amount left to come. Huge amount. It's like more than 8,000, I can say. This is not done. The CM is like, relaxed. Okay, Marilla has come. People are quiet. They will see. Where is Karnika, boys, Baba? Where are Karnika? There are 6 ships that have left to come to Indian seas. What about that? How many months, how many years you will take that for that? Offshore, there are thousand boys stranded. What about them? Act. Government act. I mean, when are you all going to solve it? Every day boys are suffering over there. Are you all ready for that? Calling up. The concerned family is calling up, yeah. Even they are worried. I can see even those aged parents calling up and crying their lungs out, yeah. I mean to say, government has to wake up, or at least on this cries, at least understand the pain, yeah. Have family. Don't you all think it's a concern? I mean, this government is not, I mean to say, it was not like that I'm against some people, yeah, against some, I'm against the government system, what they are working on. This is not the way they work on. This is really bad. Even I don't know the same thing when the chartered flights would start. This answer I went to take from the NRI department, but the NRI department is clueless. It's like only yes, no. That's it, nothing more. It's 2 months. The another month is starting. What next? Now Marilas also, I'll tell you, frankly speaking, within a day they got the permission. So I'm like, what is that is lacking back for y'all, for the offshore people? If y'all have got one permission, you just need to attach one form to it. Okay, one form of the embassies to it and pass the order. What is taking y'all so long? What is it that is taking so long? Because we have got all the permissions. You just need to do a test and get them over here. That's it. I don't know. I don't know. I'll frankly tell you all. It's some okay, some few I'll tell you that I come across. There were many of them who I took. I asked like tomorrow I'll be going to meet so and so minister. Are you ready to come? I mean, next morning you all say, Gina, proceed. We can't come. I mean, why are you all getting scared? For what? I mean, even I am taking a risk having sections on me, traveling from here to there. I would, like if I could, even I would like, to see families together. Today, when the government does not stand with this people, the people will not stand with the government. I mean, even mining is started in full swing. There are drivers, laborers are brought from other states. Okay, have you all quarantined them for 14 days? Have you all tested them? And if you all have tested them, it is only one day. If it is one day, then why Marila boys have been tested for 14 days and kept for quarantine? Are the rules separate? I mean, Maharashtra, they were home quarantine. Kerala, home quarantine. Why Goa is not home quarantine? Why they need to stay in that hotel? Where are the 40 MLCs? Why aren't you all questioning this? Come together, question the government. Why is this people to be questioned? You all come together, question the government, push the government. Why are you all MLAs? You all are the, you can say a certain village MLAs where you all stand for the people. Now, right now, you all need to stand for the people. If it's not now, it's never. So I would like, people, I would suggest one thing, wake up all your MLAs. Wake them up. Tell them to question. Instead of people questioning, tell them to question. Because they are elected by us. They have to serve us. And this is the time they serve us. Okay? So wake all the MLAs. Wake them up. Tell them. Because I saw when Marila thing was going on, many of them, CM's house, outside CM's house, all MLAs, all some organizations coming up and speaking. Baba, where are you all now? Marila was the only board. Yeah, there are 1,000 boats. There are 1,000 of boys left to come. Where are you all now? Why aren't you all coming over there now near CM's house? What is lacking? What is taking you all back? It's just the trophy, the what do you say, the credit that you all want. Is that so? Credit God gives you. This is all I wanted to say, because, and it's actually high time. It's actually high time, yeah.